Okay, to create a program from the list view from the automatic mode, just click on the paper and pencil button. This is going to bring you into the program editor mode. On the left side we have a line of all the different quotes. Right now we haven't set anything. First thing we have to do is set the length. So I'm going to set 300mm length panel. And then I'm going to set my first quote for the first hole. So I'm going to do my first hole at 32mm from the edge. So I'm going to say enter. And I want to glue and dowel. So I need to tap on the glue and dowel. I'm going to add another line, 64. Sorry, let me delete 64. I'm going to press enter. And again, I'm going to glue and dowel. I'm going to add another one. And this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the length of my part minus 64mm. That's going to use the length of the panel and use that as a reference. And again, I'm going to turn my glue and dowel, and I'm going to add another last hole, and I'm going to do the length minus 32mm. And again, turn my glue and dowel. This way, we just finished our first program. I'm going to save it. I'm going to give it a name. Press 1, enter, and that's. Now, if I want to execute this program we just wrote, I'm going to create a list. So first I'm going to tap on the program, pick my program, test number 1, select that. I want to run one on my S field, and I want to run another one on my R field. So I'm going to select test 1 again, and I'm going to change my area to R. So in this way, I'm going to run test number 1 on S. Once that's executed, it's going to run test number 1 on the R field. I'm going to set, I want to run 10 times my cycle. Let me clear the list. So now we have to, it's important that we just tap anywhere else on the screen so we clear. Otherwise, if we just select that line, it's going to execute that program only. But we don't want that. We want to run the list. So we want test 1, test, and then move to the next line. So I'm going to just click anywhere so it unselects all the lines. And now we're ready to run. So I'm going to just press execute, which is this button here. And we're ready to run.